Vishwanathan Anand, Krishnan Sashikiran, Surya Shekhar Ganguly. I know you would have guessed today's topic. Yes, it's chess. And today we are having a very inspiring personality who has taken many initiatives in his life and presently taking a huge initiative of imparting the knowledge about one of the most intelligent gifts by India to the world. Today we have Sri Pramod Upadhyay, who is known as Chess Master of Ahmedabad. I am honored to have you on this platform, respected sir.
Thank you.
So, which language would you prefer, Pramod sir?
Whichever suits you. May it be Gujarati, may it be Hindi, or may it be English.
So, can we begin our podcast in English?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, sir. So, let's start our first segment, that is your life story.
Yes.
So, your life has been so inspiring and motivating. So, can you please tell us something about your childhood?
Oh, fine. Thank you. Basically, I'm a person born in a middle class family
Hmm.
and a child of a freedom fighter, and I'm proud of it. My father's name Muralidhar Ranchola Upadhyay, who participated freedom fighting and had been into the jail also for a month's time.
Hmm.
So I'm very proud of him to be his son. Okay, we had not that much money to share, but we had ample of refinement and principle and patriotism and good virtues for the families and good virtues for the living.
Hmm.
I was very good at learning study.
Hmm.
I was known as a man with two brains.
Oh.
Oh, that is because I remember a lot in no time. And that was the thing. I was awarded such a award. Man with two brains.
Acha.
I wanted to be a scientist
Mm-hmm.
since from standard 8. I wanted to be a scientist. I wrote it in my progress book. Somehow I couldn't do it. I had to join commerce faculty.
Hmm.
It was for the first time I came across book by Suresh Dave, which cost rupees 6. That was the only book on chess available in Gujarati at that time.
Hmm.
And I read it through thoroughly. I got number of the points from it. Suresh Dave was one of the best players of Gujarat.
Oh.
Then I focused my activities on number of the sports. I played carom, chess, table tennis. I joined Department of Post.
Mm-hmm.
Almost all the tournaments which are held at all India level have been participated by me.
Hmm.
I also participated as manager and coach of All India Chess Team. More than central government employees team, that is RSB, Regional Sport Control Board.
Hmm.
Tournament of all central government on national level. I have represented as a player, as a chess, as a coach, and as a manager.
Wow.
Oh, that is sufficient. I would like to know.
Yeah, means
Is it?
your yeah, it is very much away. It's more than enough, sir, because your childhood has been so much of struggle, and your life journey from a child to a chess master is so much inspiring that you had only one book, and you learned
Yes.
from that, and you became the chess master.
At this stage, I would like to thank Sri M.N. Parmar.
Mm-hmm.
I honorably address him as my Guruji. I have learned a lot about the chess and about the life from him. He is such a nice person, cannot be described by words or the speech. Still, he is on the earth, and I honor him a lot as my Guruji.
Yeah. So with
Yes, please.
with this discussion, we ended our first segment, that is your life story. So guys, here our second segment, which is situational question answers. So sir, I'll ask you some questions in which you have to solve your situation. I'll give you some situations and you have to answer that.
Very good.
Okay, so our first situation is, today so many students are very addicted to mobile phone. So let's guess that if you were a mobile, so what would be your actions?
Good. See, everything in this world, every element on this world has two sides. One is good and one is bad. It depends how do you use it. And you will derive goodness or badness from it, the way in which you use it. It's a blessing and it's a curse also. But if you use it in the right way, it is a blessing. If you use it in the wrong way, it's a curse.
Yeah, exactly. Like every coin has a two sides, a positive and a negative.
Yeah. Why only coin? Everything on this earth has two sides. Even every event has two sides. And I am blessed by my parents that I always see positivity in the incident, in the things, in whatever I do and think.
Yeah, and only that type of positivity, only that positivity made you such a great person.
That is, yes, it has a great role in building my character.
Yeah, and I can really feel your positive aura right now. So
thank you. So nice of you.
So thank you so much for joining with us. So now,
thank you.
Moving forward to our next question.
Okay, fine.
So you have 3 seeds.
I have 3
seeds.
Seeds. Okay.
Yeah. So to which 3 responsible people you'll give that seed so that they can help the environment at large? To which 3 responsible people you will hand over that 3 seeds?
Okay. First of all, I would like to identify which seeds are there.
Seeds of a plant.
I know it. May it be a plant of a fruit, maybe a plant of flower, maybe plant friendly for the environment. There are a number of kinds of plants, a number and kind of seeds.
So we can take these 3 seeds as a 3 main words of this world. So which 3 rules or 3 words you will give to 3 responsible people? That 3 words or that 3 rules which can help that 3 people to become successful in their future.
Okay. Do the best, whatever you can. Never imitate. And don't copy.
Yeah. These are the 3 rules of the life of a person should have. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so our third question is, suppose that you are a social activist of your college.
Good. Right.
So on what topics you will protest and which topics you support?
See, as to what I told you earlier,
Hmm.
everything has two sides.
Hmm.
And fortunately, unfortunately, good side turns into bad side also, and bad side turns into good side.
Hmm.
So everyone has to evaluate the situation and the circumstances and then act.
Yeah.
There are no any rules, rigid rules to perform, to act in a life, whatever the situation may be.
Hmm.
One thing would be good in the situation or the incident, but the same thing cannot be good for that incident because the situation would be something else.
Yeah.
So be practical, analyze it thoroughly, and then conclude what to do and what not to do.
Hmm. So I'll ask you one out of box question. So
Sir, you are most welcome.
so we were talking about your childhood and you talked about
Right.
your life journey from as a student to a chess master. So
Yeah.
when you became chess master, so how was your journey as a chess master?
Good, very good. I am really fortunate to have joined Adarsh Ahmedabad
Hmm.
on retirement, on superannuation from the Department of Post. That's what I told you. I participated in number of the tournaments.
Yeah.
I have performed duties as chess coach, manager, etc., etc.
Hmm.
But Adarsh Ahmedabad provided me a very good platform
Hmm.
to teach chess to those who are interested to learn chess from each and every corner of Ahmedabad. I am very much fortunate that I have taught to say more than 2,000 chess students.
That's a very big number. And today's generation or today's chess learner won't think of that this person whom I'm talking to right now is a great, I can say that is a great grand chess master who taught more than 2000 students in his life, and he experienced a lot, and he is having a he is having so much of knowledge about chess that
Yeah,
at when he was a student he used to read some books. After joining post office he used to participate in some chess tournaments, and after joining one NGO he is now teaching more than 2000 students, so that's not a small number. So
yes,
it's a
absolutely.
great achievement, sir. It's a great achievement.
That is why I thank Adarsh Ahmedabad,
Hmm.
one of the best NGO in Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
Why in Ahmedabad? In Gujarat, in India.
Hmm. Okay, so with this thoughts and with this inspirational conversation, we end our second segment, that is situational question answer. Okay, guys, so we are here on our third segment, that is your thoughts. So, sir, here I will ask you some questions in which you have to share your thoughts.
Yes.
So, here we go to our first thought, that is, what are your thoughts on controversy of origin of chess?
Hmm. See, we have one very good idiom.
Hmm.
कि टप टप ऊपर ना जाओ, रोटला खाओ.
Hmm.
Don't count sound. Go for the bread.
Yeah.
See, why should we go for that? we should analyze ourselves and think, where do we stand? Fortunately, now we are very good improving, especially under the flagship of Sri Bhavesh Patel, very good young and energetic secretary of Gujarat State Chess Association.
Yeah.
And under ample support of I am Mr. Shekhar Shahu, who is an international master and rendering his services for the training of the chess. They have listed the chess in a very good manner, and we have reached to almost each and every corner of Gujarat.
Yeah.
See, we are very good in at the level of India also. We had very limited grandmaster in India, but now we have number of the grandmaster in Gujarat and Ahmedabad.
So my next question is, today in this lockdown period, students are, we can say, forced to, but it's a situation which is COVID has created right now. But what are your views on online study and offline study?
Again, both are the tools. None of them is achievement.
Okay.
You have to use the tool in such a way that gives you the maximum you require.
Yeah.
One has to decide at his own and go for that.
Exactly. So, according to you, you are a chess master and you are also ex-government employee, and you have seen the world from so many years. So, according to you, what is an ideal society?
The society thinks good for others is an ideal society.
Yeah, I guess it's a perfect answer, because when you will think positive, when you will think good for others, then others will also think good and positive for you.
And good will emerge.
Yeah.
Nothing bad will emerge.
When there will be a good atmosphere.
And be good.
Yeah, exactly.
So, irrespective of the atmosphere, we should be good. Atmosphere be maybe not favoring us, maybe, but we shouldn't leave our quality.
Yeah. Okay, so here we end our third segment, that is your thoughts, and we are going to the fourth segment, that is movements. So
right.
Here we'll discuss about one, your happiest moment of your life, your saddest moment of your life, and the third, on which this podcast has been started, to tell people that what was the biggest initiative of your life. So let's start with the happiest moment.
What is the happiest moment in my life? See, first of all, when I was told to have lectures in Adarsh Ahmedabad, teaching chess.
Yeah.
So to play chess and win is something different, but to teach chess is something different. I had no experience. I burnt midnight oil doing my job. I read number of the books. I met a number of the persons, including my Guruji. And the day came, I had to speak for 1.5 hours on chess, keeping the audience in my eyes.
Wow. And
I didn't think it would be a grand success. But by the blessings of my parents and by blessings of the God, by the blessings of my Guruji, I did very, very well. And my spouse applauded and told, wow, very good. That was the best moment in my life.
And this is also called a life journey of a successful person. Whenever one of your family members stands up and clap for you when you are on a grand stage. So not a single achievement is as compatible as that achievement. When one of your family members stands up for you and claps and shouts for you that wow man, you did a great work. Yeah, so for me also, after listening this movement, I am also very proud of you, sir, that this type of situation also should come in my life, that I can feel my parents proud, that whenever I go on stage and they will stand up and cheer for me, that wow my son, you did great.
Lots of cordial blessings from me, my dear.
Thank you, sir. Thank
you. To you and to your Didi. You are doing really good things. And I must say, it has a very good role of Adarsh Ahmedabad for your development also, if I don't forget.
Yeah.
Your Didi have already undergone number of the courses at Adarsh Ahmedabad, including life management. She has been a trainer and she is a trainer. That is a good thing.
Yeah. So, after listening to this happy moment, for me, discipline is the key to success. Because
absolutely, I do believe.
Because if you don't have discipline of the work which you are doing, so then that work will also not help you to get succeed in your life.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so here are the fourth segment of our life, the moments is ended, and the last segment of the podcast, the fifth segment, your vision and your dream. So what is your vision?
Yes, I would like to see Gujarat at the top, not only in chess, but in every activity. And accordingly, my country, India, to top in all the segments on the earth.
Yeah. And what's your dream? That what you want to do now?
Basically, I would like to be a teacher till the last breath of my life. That is my wish. And I hope by the grace of God I can fulfill it.
Yeah, and you are doing it also. And your students are also very much supportive to you. And
they are very much supportive. Yes, I do admit. Why students? Their parents also.
Yeah, because some of the kids, they don't have the mindset like, no, he's my teacher and I should support him. But their parents tell them, no, he is your teacher, so you must support him. So the major role played by parents only.
Yeah, absolutely.
So yeah, here the podcast with the great grandmaster of chess, Sri Pramod Upadhyay, and we are very much thankful to you, Pramod sir, that you joined our podcast as an initiator.
Thank you very much for being with me. Thank you.
You're most welcome, sir.
Long way to go for you, and my all the best of cordial wishes for you, for your coming days.
Thank you so much. And I also want to tell my listeners that if you have taken such initiatives in your life, then do email us on wetheinitiators@gmail.com, or you can DM us on Instagram. So we'll approach you and we'll take your interview, because our vision is to make a platform where all the initiators come together and inspire people to take such initiatives in their life.
Oh,
So thank you so much, Pramod sir, for joining today.
thank you very much.